I am writing to bring to your attention a serious matter of concern that has been identified by several international ICT professionals regarding the imagery used on Zimbabwe's National Artificial Intelligence Strategy document issued by the Ministry of ICT, Postal and Courier Services. I have attached the city of Harare and the front cover of the document to this email to show the difference. Sanapena mashoko bwanyu kupangwa nezvinzi IT guru exposes Minister Mavetera concerning regarding the use of non-Zimbabwe city image on the National AI Strategy document. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibula mashoko amdaitoka panapa na engineer Jacob Kudzamtisi anatambira achiti, it has been observed that the image used on the document depicts a modern city skyline that does not appear to represent any town or a city in Zimbabwe. This matter was recently raised within global ICT professional circles, where experts noted that the photograph seems to portray a foreign metropolitan environment rather than a Zimbabwean urban landscape. Given that the National AI Strategy is an important policy document that represents Zimbabwe's technological ambitions and national identity, the use of imagery from another country may unintentionally misrepresent the country. Such issues can quickly be identified by international observers and will raise unnecessary questions about the authenticity of official government publications. Zimbabwe has several cities and landmarks that could appropriately represent the country's progress and innovation. Urban centers such as Harare, Bulawayo, Mutare, Victoria Falls provide authentic imagery that would proudly showcase Zimbabwe's own environment and national development. International ICT professionals have suggested that the ministry consider reviewing the imagery used in the National AI Strategy document and, where necessary, replacing it with visuals that accurately depict Zimbabwean cities, infrastructure, or technology initiatives. Doing so would strengthen the credibility of the document and reinforce Zimbabwe's national branding on a global stage. Domashkwana toka pangwa ine aiwasugestiwa na Jacob Mutisi. Panekome section medu za hungro aim out kudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.